Are you tired of being stuck in a 9 to 5 job or just looking for a high-demand skill you can use to earn from home? What if I told you that in just 3 weeks, you could learn data analysis, no degree required, and start landing paying clients online? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step roadmap, the tools you need, and exactly how to turn your new skills into income. Let's get started. Week 1 is all about building a solid foundation. You'll start with Excel or Google Sheets, learn how to organize data, create formulas, and make simple charts. Basic statistics, understanding averages, percentages, and trends, spend time practicing with small datasets, like sales numbers, survey results, or even your personal spending data. This is crucial. The better you understand the basics, the faster you'll move to higher paying projects. In week 2, we dive into tools that employers and clients love. You can choose either Python or R, two of the most popular languages for data analysis. Focus on learning, data cleaning, making messy data usable, data visualization, creating charts and graphs with Matplotlib or Seaborn, dashboards, turning raw data into clear insights. By the end of week 2, you'll be able to analyze real datasets, spot trends, and create visuals that help businesses make decisions, all skills that are highly demanded on freelancing platforms. Week 3 is where it gets exciting, real projects and earning money. Here's what to do: build small projects to showcase your skills. Think analyzing sales data, social media metrics, or survey results. Create a portfolio of these projects to show potential clients. Start applying for work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or remote job boards. Start small, even with mini projects, and gradually take on bigger assignments. The demand for data analysis skills is huge, and the more you practice, the higher your earning potential. So there you have it, a complete 3-week roadmap to learn data analysis and start earning from home, without a degree or prior experience. If you take this seriously, put in the hours, and follow the steps, you can gain a high-demand skill that opens doors to remote work and freelance opportunities. Comment below. Are you learning data analysis to start freelancing, earn a side income,